padding top is what I meant to be doing. I was just trying to generically padding it. I just was not following the instructions well at all. Great. And now, add some bits to this unordered list. To deal with navbar overflow. Oh, and text alignment. Width of the section elements to 80% of their parent container. Yes. My ability to know on the spot exactly what I need to do with margins needs a little work, but I make it work, so that's really what matters as far as I'm concerned. The fact that I can make things work. Hey, it is what it is, right? Add padding to the top and left of the info elements since the other value is 0. See if that does it. Well, they just said to add padding after all, not how much. Leave it to the imagination, eh? go. That did the trick. Target all the label elements. Give them a width of 10% and a min width of 55 pixels. There we go. Now, new rule set. Button label within the .info section. Display inline block. Label element down there, text aligned right. Question block, and they give me the CSS for this bit. Now, tweak the H3s with some more provided code. Let's continue modifying the sections to look the part. Success. Let's see. We have now officially decided that the borders and padding around the question elements looks like shit. So that'll be a border none. Padding bottom 0. There. Problem solved. Now, answers list. List style. List style none. And I need to set the padding, which I forgot to do. Yeah, list style none. A catch-all method also for getting rid of the list styling that's inevitably going to be present on the unordered list you will probably be using to make a nav bar about 800 quintillion times in your entire career, or just time writing code if you're not doing this professionally. Now, hit submit button. Which, let's check the actual selector thing for it. Type button, type submit. It's also the only button on the page, so I don't really need to do that. But anyways, I want it to look similar to the style of the FreeCodeCamp logo and site as a whole. Let's align that properly. And as you see, it looks the part. And we're almost through the section. Be able to move on to the, what do you call it? The certification project for the tribute page soon. And horizontally center with Flexbox. And I just default to space between so much that I didn't realize I wasn't supposed to do that. That was stupid. You also can't read the text now, because it's off screen. And because of the color of the footer. Mostly the latter. Let's fix that color. I'll just make it white. And we got to do everything. Just doing the link did not help my case there. There we go. Horizontally center everything in address. Justify content center. Padding 35 pixels. Or it could be that I don't need to flex and can just text a line. That works better. Moving on. Clicking on the navigation link should jump the viewport, but this can be disorienting. select everything with the everything selector and set the scroll behavior to smooth. Oh, I'll have to remember that for my own sites. I've been under the impression for the longest time you could only do that sort of thing with JavaScript. If I can do the smooth scrolling without needing JavaScript, then you bet your ass I'm gonna. Okay. Media at rule has a prefers reduced motion to set CSS for preferences. Give me an example value as such. So, wrap the style rule for smooth. Within a media rule for prefers reduced motion, having no preference as the value. So, no preference. This sort of scrolling thing isn't really noticeable here, but for a portfolio site that's got 10, 15 different sections on it, you would definitely take note of it. Now for our last bit, to improve navigation accessibility with keyboard shortcuts. Everything's made better by keyboard shortcuts. What do you think the WASD keys became standard operating procedure for most video games, after all? As well as rebinding keys. Because keybinds are what makes PC superior to console. Yes, I couldn't let a PC Master Race joke go there. Deal with it. It doesn't think it's done for some reason. That's weird. And with that, we are done with learning accessibility by building a quiz. So next time, we'll be doing our tribute page, probably in VS Code. Though I may decide to just do it in the built-in editor just to make things faster. I'm not sure, honestly. Anyways, join me for that. Thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying watching me go through these coding tutorials live, and eagerly anticipating when I start doing actual projects on camera, then I encourage you to stick around and drop a like, comment, and subscribe on the channel for notifications and all that jazz. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.